Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Raquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So as many of you know, we post a quote on the Writers Atelier Instagram page on Mondays, and today we're talking about doubting the power of your story and your words, and also telling the story your own way. So I wanted to come on here and remind you that if you ever felt that you were doubtful that anybody would want to read your work, just remember that there's somebody out there wanting to read it. And the way that you put things down on the page, the way that you string sentences together, the way you craft characters, the way you plot your book, all of those things work together to create your unique voice. So never underestimate the power of you. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.